Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I actually totally forgot to make this video. It's about this right here. You've probably, since Black Friday and Christmas, seen this advertised a million times on social media. It's a knife sharpener, and it is the first one that I can wholeheartedly say, buy this. Buy this right now, with one huge caveat. Do not buy it from who you've seen it being advertised, because that is a complete and utter ripoff. Quick backstory, I have tested and have bought and wasted money on virtually every kind of knife sharpener out there. I hate doing it, but I cook a lot. I use my knives a lot. They're nothing special. They're fiberware. I've got some individual fairly nice ones, but normal consumer knives, right? When they're sharp, they work great. Super comfy, they fit my hand, that's most important. But I've never had a real easy way to get them sharp, so I hate doing it. So I ended up not sharpening them enough and then pissing myself off and working with dull knives. I've tried and have a really good electric sharpener, the kind you run through the different passes. I've got a couple different handhelds that have the V shape and kind of pinch it. I got the one built into my knife block. That actually works pretty well. It doesn't last long, but it does get it really sharp quickly. I've got stones. I've got the one you clamp to your desk and it's on a big spring and you do this, and the one you level with your phone app and all that kinds of stuff. So I was ready to give up, and I was going to say, screw it. I'm just taking them down to my local hardware store. They sharpen knives and I'll just pay for it every time. And then I thought, well, let's check my cool source at AliExpress. If you are unfamiliar with AliExpress, it is basically like China's Amazon, but for sales outside of China. It is factory direct. All this kind of stuff that you see sold on Amazon and all these drop shippers and all the Facebook ads and all that kind of stuff, they don't make any of it. And if it's on Amazon, it's already gone through at least 2 middlemen and priced up accordingly. This was advertised, I believe the lowest I saw it was $60. And then they had deluxe kits and all that extra crap. I got this for $8 direct. $8, that's shipped. I'll put the link down below. I'm not trying to sell it. I'm just telling you, it's $8 compared to $60 and up. That's the price difference of getting it direct from the factories that actually produce them and not going through middlemen and made up brand names and paying for Facebook ads and all that kind of stuff. It couldn't be easier to use. It doesn't take any skill, and that is my number one awesome thing about this. All of my other sharpeners, they suck for at least one reason. Either they're super easy and they don't do a great job, or they do a great job, but they take a lot of time and effort. None of them until this has done both. So all you do to use it, you've got a 15-degree side and a 20-degree side. This is just a block of, I don't know, it's either plastic or wood, kind of feels like wood. And there's just a big magnet on each side, and these are just rubber pads. So for typical consumer home knives, you're gonna use the 15-degree side, and you can see it's angled there at the appropriate degrees. And then the knife just magnetizes to it, and the block then holds the knife at that perfect angle. So no longer do you have to keep the knife at the angle while you're polishing or anything like that. It just sits here. This is the stone, and these are rotating. So you get kind of a random pattern. One is a little bit coarser than the other. This is the quote unquote coarse side. It just feels like a really fine sandpaper. And then this is the fine side, and that actually feels smooth to your finger. So you start with the coarse side. I'm gonna do this with my other hand. I'm holding the phone here, but you don't even have to put pressure against the knife. You just keep it in place, right? You're not pushing against the knife. You let it do all the work. These are rubber O-rings, so it stays on the surface and can roll freely. The center rotates and the stones rotate. So all you do is go back and forth on your knife. You can do this, you can do full length, doesn't matter. You will feel the resistance change as the knife sharpens. And you just do the coarse side until it feels really nice and really starts to glide. And then you just finish it off with a few swipes of the fine side to clean it up. And then I suggest using a steel just to make sure that the filings are lipped off. And that's it. You know, wipe it off and you're done. And it freaking works. Let me finish doing this one real quick and I'll give you a paper test. And it should be obvious. You just flip the knife over to the other side to do the other side. So that was my first time actually using it on this particular knife. I may not have even done it enough. I only did it for about 30 seconds a side, but I have to undo whatever angles my other sharpeners have been putting on it. So it may not have even been enough, but let's give it a shot. Yeah, I think that works. Super impressed. Definitely check this out. Under 10 bucks. You can't say no. I think you'll throw out all your other sharpeners. I think I'm going to. See you next time.